Let's rock and roll to Mission 4, Lesson 23. Yosef downloaded 115 songs. 100 of them were rock songs. The rest were hip-hop songs. We have 2 questions today. Part A, how many of Yosef's songs were hip-hop? Part B, 80 of his rock songs were oldies rock. How many rock songs were new? We need to circle our numbers first. We have 115 songs. We know that 100 were rock songs and that 80 of those rock songs were oldies rocks. So 115, 100, and then 80. Those are our numbers. Our questions are, how many of Yosef's songs were hip hop? That's our first question. Then we have to look at his rock songs and know how many were old and how many were new. We're going to start with question A. He had 115 songs that he downloaded. 100 of them were rock songs. The other were hip hop. I'm missing a part. What do I do when I'm missing a part? I hope you said subtract. I'm going to take 115 and subtract 100. 115 has 100, 110, and 5 ones. So if it has 100 and I'm taking away 100, how many would be left? I wouldn't have any in the hundreds place anymore. I would just have the tens and the ones, which is 15. So 15 songs were hip hop. Now, let's go to part B. We know that 100 of his songs were rock songs, right? Well, 80 of them were oldies rock. The rest of them were new rock, like what you might hear on TikTok or the radio today. So I have to take 100 and then take away 80. How many tens are in 100? Do you remember? It takes 10 tens to make 100. And 80 is 8 tens. So if I have 10 tens and I take away 8 tens, that leaves me with 2 tens, or 20. Remember in first grade how we learned that 8 and 2 make a 10? Well, 80 and 20 make 100. So 20 rock songs were new. Now, go listen to some music and have some fun.